What's up guys, this is Andrew with Diamond Graphics. The Bloodlust M5 is finally done. It's inspired from the Brides of Dracula. We have reflective elements throughout the whole car that accent some of the bride's jewelry, some of the skulls, some of the blood, just to really set this car apart. Without further ado, from the team here at Diamond Graphics, we present to you the Bloodlust M5. What's up guys? We got a one-of-a-kind project on this one, something I'm sure most of you have never seen before, because I haven't. So a project that's been in the making for a while is this BMW M5. We just got the vinyl today, so we printed out the instructions for wrapping. A little bit overwhelming, but this is going to be a full print wrap. It's in Avery and laminated in a matte finish. It's also getting the door jambs. Then we're putting 3D accents on, and then we're going to be wrapping reflective overlays on top of that. This is definitely a super unique project. I have never done anything quite as involved like this, but it should be pretty stunning when it's done.